Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for inspiring home decor ideas. Today, we're delving into the timeless elegance of white living room interiors and discover top 10 living room design ideas inspiration to transform your living space. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. White is a versatile color that can create a sense of serenity, spaciousness, and sophistication. Let's explore some of the best design ideas to transform your living room into a haven of tranquility. White living room interior design refers to the design aesthetic of a living room where white is the dominant color. This can include white walls, ceilings, furniture, or a combination of these elements. Here's why white is a popular choice for living rooms. First, brightness and spaciousness. White is a highly reflective color that can make a room feel brighter and more spacious. Second, versatility. White is a neutral color that can easily be paired with other colors and styles. Third, timelessness. White is a classic color that never goes out of style. Fourth, cleanliness. White can create a sense of purity and cleanliness. A white living room offers numerous advantages. First and foremost, white is a highly reflective color that can make your space feel brighter and more spacious. It's also a blank canvas that allows you to experiment with different accents and textures without overwhelming the room. Additionally, white is a classic color that never goes out of style, ensuring your living room remains timeless and elegant. While white provides a clean and neutral base, it's important to infuse your personality into the space. Here are some ways to add character. 1. Texture and patterns. Introduce texture through fabrics like velvet, linen, or wool. Incorporate patterns such as geometric prints, floral designs, or tribal motifs to create visual interest. 2. Accent colors. Introduce pops of color with accent furniture, artwork, or throw pillows. Consider using complementary colors like blue, green, or yellow to create a balanced aesthetic. 3. Statement pieces. A statement piece, such as a large piece of artwork, a unique coffee table, or a vintage rug, can instantly draw attention and add a focal point to the room. White living rooms can be styled in various design styles to suit your personal preferences. Here are a few popular options. 1. Minimalist. A minimalist white living room is characterized by clean lines, uncluttered surfaces, and a focus on essential elements. 2. Scandinavian. Scandinavian design emphasizes natural materials, light-colored wood accents, and a cozy atmosphere. 3. Modern. Modern design incorporates sleek lines, geometric shapes, and a mix of materials like metal and glass. 4. Traditional. Traditional design features classic elements such as ornate moldings, symmetrical layouts, and luxurious fabrics. Choosing the right shade of white paint is essential for achieving the desired atmosphere in your living room. Consider these factors. First, natural light. If your room receives ample natural light, you can opt for a cooler white with a hint of blue or gray. For rooms with limited natural light, a warmer white with a touch of yellow can help create a brighter ambience. Second, desired mood. A pure white can create a crisp and clean feel, while a creamy white can add a touch of warmth and coziness. Third, existing decor. Consider the color of your flooring, furniture, and other elements in the room when selecting your paint color. A well-curated selection of furniture is key to creating a stylish white living room. Consider these must-have pieces. 1. Comfortable sofa. A comfortable sofa is essential for relaxation and entertaining guests. Choose a style that complements your overall design aesthetic. 2. Coffee table. A coffee table provides a surface for drinks, books, and decorative items. Opt for a design that adds visual interest and functionality. 3. Armchairs or love seats. Armchairs or love seats offer additional seating and can create a cozy conversation area. 4. Storage pieces. Incorporate storage pieces like side tables, bookshelves, or a media console to keep your living room organized and clutter-free. And to complete your inspiration, here these the compilation of the top 10 white living room interior design ideas. 1. Bold geometric patterns. Add a touch of drama with geometric patterns on rugs, throw pillows, or wall art. 2. Natural materials. Incorporate natural elements like wood, stone, or plants to create a sense of connection with nature. 3. Metallic accents. Introduce metallic accents with decorative objects, lighting fixtures, or hardware for a touch of glamour. 4. Statement lighting. A unique chandelier or pendant light can instantly elevate the ambience of your white living room. 5. Gallery wall. Create a personalized gallery wall with framed photographs, artwork, or mirrors. 6. Textured fabrics. Add depth and interest with textured fabrics like velvet, chenille, or linen. 7. Indoor plants. Bring the outdoors in with lush indoor plants to add a touch of greenery and life. 8. Built-in storage. Maximize space and organization with built-in storage solutions like shelves or cabinets. 9. Floor-to-ceiling curtains. Create a dramatic effect with floor-to-ceiling curtains that draw attention to your windows. 10. Statement fireplace. A fireplace can be a focal point in your white living room, adding warmth and ambience. A white living room offers endless possibilities for creating a stylish and inviting space. By following these design ideas and incorporating your personal style, you can transform your living room into a sanctuary that reflects your unique taste. For more inspiring home decor ideas and inspiration, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Homes Decor Designs. We'll continue to share valuable tips and trends to help you create your dream living space.